Did you know dolphins are like the cool kids in school, but way friendlier? They're smart, playful, and always ready for an adventure, just like you. Today, we're diving into the world of dolphins to meet some of the most amazing species out there. Meet the bottlenose dolphin, the class clown of the ocean. These dolphins love to show off, just like kids who always have the best jokes. They're super smart, can do flips, and even use tools to catch fish. More impressive than your last science project, right? Orcas, or killer whales, are like the team captains, big, strong, and always on the move. They work together in pods, just like kids in a sports team, and are amazing hunters. But don't worry, they're not as scary as their name. Spinner dolphins could win Olympic gold in gymnastics. They spin and flip out of the water. Imagine if you could do that in gym class. These dolphins are all about fun and showing off, just like kids at recess. Meet the Amazon River dolphin, the mysterious new kid in school. They're pink and live in rivers, not the ocean. They're shy but super unique, just like that new student who's always a little different, but totally cool. Risso's dolphins look a bit different. They've got lots of scars and are really wise, like that older kid who knows everything. They're gentle giants who love to swim deep and explore, just like you love exploring new things. So dolphins are smart, playful, and always up for fun, just like you. Whether they're spinning, chatting, or exploring, they show us how teamwork and curiosity make life awesome. Remember, dive in, make friends, and be a dolphin superhero.